안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce dalgona coffee, which was very popular in Korea. It is very easy to make if you have a hand mixer at home. However, those who do not have a hand mixer, I also prepared a bonus video. So please stay tuned until the end. Let's make it together. This is the instant coffee used for Dalgona coffee. This is the instant coffee that you can see a lot if you go to the mart. I will use this coffee today. This is instant coffee sold at Korean marts, but there is a powdered coffee creamer inside, so you can use it after straining powdered coffee creamer. You can also use a Kanu instant coffee. You may use either of the two. Put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder in a bowl. Also add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water. It's important to add boiling water to dissolve the sugar and coffee with a little water. Mix well with a spoon. Instant coffee powder, sugar, and hot water in a 1:1:1 ratio. Use a hand blender on high speed. Blend it for about 4 to 5 minutes. The color is dark at first, but the color will be brightened later. It's almost done when the color gets brighter and thicker like this. Pour a cup of milk into the cup. I think cold milk is better than hot milk. To check if it's done, turn the bowl over, and if the foam doesn't spill out, it's a success. Put the dalgona coffee you made earlier on top of the milk. Let me show you how to make it by hand. Put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder in a suitable bowl or cup. Also add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix well with a spoon. Let me stir it with a spoon. Stir this time using a hand whisk. You can also make it with a spoon, but it takes a little longer and requires more stirring. If you don't have a hand whisk, just use a spoon. If you stir it with a hand whisk for about 15 minutes, dalgona coffee is made. If you do it with a spoon, it can take up to around 30 minutes. Likewise, the color is dark at first, but later the color brightens. Even using a hand whisk, my arms hurt so much. So it's much more convenient to use blender. It's done when the color gets brighter and thicker. When the dalgona coffee is finished, pour a cup of milk into the cup. Put the dalgona coffee on top of the milk. Very popular Korean dalgona coffee is done. Stir well before eating. If you like a coffee, you should try. In particular, I think the harmony between the soft foam and the bitter and sweet taste of coffee goes so well together. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.